Morning friends, today we are traveling to the beautiful location located in South Kerala, which is known as Munnar, which is famous for tea gardens, waterfall, and it is the most beautiful place for the beautiful climate it has. It is 124 kilometers from Ernakulam. To reach Ernakulam from Goa, Delhi, you can come by railway or to Ernakulam, and you can also come by flight, which is at Cochin. There you can hire a cab or a bus which moves to the Munnar. In Munnar there are tea gardens and tea estates. Also there are tea museum. There is a hydel power plant. Also you can see the botanical garden there, spice plantation. Other than that, you can see the sightseeing around the place. After Munnar, we'll be moving to Alleppey, famous for beaches. It is also famous for the houseboats. Houseboat, we have to check in at 12 o'clock. It takes around up to 6 to the backwaters, up to 6 p.m. And up to 6 p.m. it will move to the stay at one place. There is a live music playing up to 8 o'clock, and you can stay in the houseboat in the overnight. And after breakfast in the morning, next day, they will reach you to the back. So it's a one day full plan consisting of breakfast, dinner, lunch, all included. Okay, enjoy the trip and have a nice day. Today we are visiting the Kerala, the south destination, Munnar. To proceed to Munnar, you have to travel to this railway station Ernakulam, or you can also reach to the airport. This is Ernakulam railway station. On top you can see the metros well connected by roads, rails. It is also having a lot of hotels and stays to have the breakfast. Munnar is almost 4-hour journey from here, from this Ernakulam railway station. The nearest airport is a Cochin, which is near to Allephy. While proceeding to Munnar, you will see a Cheeyappara Waterfall. It comes right from the top. Now being the December month, the flow is slightly less. On the way to Munnar, there is another waterfall. This is Valara Waterfall. You can see down how the flow is moving from down to top. We have seen the Cheeyappara, and this is Valara. This is the Munnar road. Okay, we'll proceed after watching this Valara waterfall. What you see is the Valara waterfall. It is on the way to Munnar.